What about next year? What are the things to watch out for? My colleague Varun is joining us with a list of events that you need to track for 2025. Varun.
Well, so the year 2025 is going to be important year for India only, not only India, but also the world as a whole, because the first thing that you need to keep an eye on is Donald Trump, because the 47th president of US is going to take office from the month of January, and that is the time when the whole action starts, because analysts on the street are expecting that this would result in a trade war-like situation across the globe, especially he would start raising tariffs on China, and Chinese economy is not in a good shape, and they are depending upon stimulus for their growth. And if he starts putting tariffs on China, then let's see what is the impact on China and also the world as a whole. Other than this, you need to keep an eye on interest rates, because across the globe, if you look, the central banks are now cutting interest rates. It is expected that Fed would cut 2 interest rates in the year 2025. RBI will start cutting interest rates in the year 2025, and also keep an eye on Bank of Japan, because it is expected that Bank of Japan might start raising more interest rates in the year 2025. Now keep an eye on elections, because elections have an impact on Indian stock markets in 2024 and in 2025. If you look, there are Delhi election and also Bihar Assembly elections. So these are the two important elections that you should keep an eye on. When it comes to equity markets, there are lot sizes changes which are going to happen in Nifty, Nifty Bank, and across the indices. Also, from Feb 1, 2025, no calendar spread benefit on expiry date would be available, and upfront collection of premium while buying options would be from 1st of Feb. Also, the intraday monitoring of position limit would be from 1st of April 2025. So there are several changes in equity markets that are going to happen. In bond markets, if you look, Indian sovereign bonds, they would enter the FTSE Russell in September 2025, and also the Indian FAR bonds will be included in the Bloomberg Emerging Market Local Currency Government Indices from January 31st, 2025. So other than equity markets, also keep an eye on bond markets. The interesting themes that you need to keep an eye on are the rate sensitive, because interest rate cuts will start in India. Also, quick commerce, because speed has been the essence of the year, and we have seen several quick commerce companies, reducing their overall delivery time. Keep an eye on IT companies, especially artificial intelligence, because companies are adopting AI and also they are increasing their spends. So this is one thing that you need to keep an eye on. Other than this, there are several events that will be keenly watched, especially by the fans, because Coldplay, they are coming to India in the month of January. Also, Green Day would be performing in Lollapalooza Festival in March 2025. Sula Fest, this would return after a gap of 5 years in the month of Feb 2025. The first esports Olympic that would be held, in 2025. Also, the Mahakumbh Mela that would be held between 13 Jan to 26 Feb 2025. So there are several events that you need to keep an eye on: political, also elections, stock markets, and some other which fans are eagerly waiting for.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.